So I'm going to create the boards so we can see how to cut this notch. So that's my first board. I've called that skirt. My second board will be called support. They're the same woods. Now this is going to have a width, which is going to be the thickness of 2, height of 4, and a depth of 24. That's the grain direction. And so I take that board and move this over so its left value is 12, for example. That support board, go to the detail level and select the surface so I can shape it. Select the surface and shape. So I shape in the shaping tool, and you can just see the difference in grain. This is the support board and that's the skirt. What the task is here is to cut the notch out of the bottom. I'm going to do that by putting a point there and a point there, and then selecting this point and changing its value to 2 and 2 like that. And while I'm here, I just go and check to make sure that those other points landed precisely, and they didn't, so I'm just going to clean them up a bit. Then I'm done with that. I've got my notch cut out of the bottom of the board. Take the skirt, go to the board detail level, and remember that the support has a left value of 12. So that's where I'm going to start the notch. Go to Details, Surface, Shape. I'm going to add a point. Just going to add a point sort of randomly. A couple of them actually, 2. And I'll turn that off and I'll select this, knowing that this has to be 12 and it's 4 inches from the bottom, so that's okay. This will be 14, 2 inches off the bottom, that's fine. Now I'll go in and put the other 2 points in, and I'll do them one at a time. So I'm going to take that, change its value to left of 12, bottom of 2, update. Put in one more point here, anywhere on that line. Turn the Add Point tool off, select my point. This is 14, and this is 2, update. Save. Go to the assembly level. And if I take, say, the skirt board, right click it and change its color to yellow, you'll see how that joint worked.